You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce these phrases. If you want to learn more vocabulary that is confusing from anatomy, stay tuned. I've got many more videos you'll want to listen to. Occipital is the British English pronunciation. Occipital lobe. Occipital lobe. In American English, the pronunciation is usually as occipital, with a flap T that sounds like a D. Occipital lobe. Occipital lobe, US pronunciation, or occipital lobe, British pronunciation, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.